Rodrigo's gonna take us through this entire process.
Fuck no, I don't have no time for that. It's already late and I'm already tired.
Hey, I got you a sandwich, man, to make up for this. That is nice. I like this. It's a nice.
Hey, I see another cars like that too, but
Yeah. Check the size.
nah, why? You already got it off.
Well, to tighten it.
It's gonna impact it off, but no. That's not supposed to come apart like that.
I know. Thanks for looking into it, man. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good one, man.
You too. Sometimes it doesn't show up on their website. Right now we're running into a bit of an issue. We need a new spindle for the rear, but no one has one. Rodrigo's calling O'Reilly's right now. We called AutoZone, all Napa, all those places. A lot of them are closed because it's already 7:30. But we can't put everything back together without the spindle. What's up, you guys? I literally have no time to talk right now. I gotta pick up the entire hub assembly from Nissan right now. They close in 30 minutes, so I'm trying to get there, so let's go. What's up, man? Just need to pick up parts for my 2004 350. It's a wheel hub assembly.
Oh,
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks so much, bro. I appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
Don't shoot me down. My third secretary.
Look at that. Oh my god. What? Convertible? Probably automatic too. Yep. Automatic. Where the GTR's at, huh? I didn't even see a GTR in the showroom. They don't even got no Z's out here. What kind of Nissan dealership? I like what you did, like this design. The X. That's real. Beautiful. Brand new rotor. Hey, don't make fun of my rotor, man. Who would you take, bro? Selena Gomez or Beyonce? Because you're done with Beyonce already, right? Yeah. I would have moved on too. She looks even better than ever now. Let's go. Gonna get some chicken nuggets for you at Wendy's. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so this is where we're going to end today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.